Why build the conventional way? Atlas Civils can provide the perfect buildable solution for any project in any location. Across Africa, opportunity does not always wait where roads are easy or infrastructure is close. Atlas Civils Buildable Solutions are designed to go further, from farms and mines to workshops, warehouses, schools, and remote community projects. Precision-manufactured steel components are transported in compact loads and arrive ready for fast, straightforward assembly using ordinary tools and light-duty equipment. No heavy cranes, no specialized lifting machinery. Every component is engineered for strength, durability, and a secure fit, creating dependable structures built for demanding African conditions. Flexible in size, versatile in purpose, and easy to expand, Atlas Civils Buildable Solutions bring quality construction to hard-to-reach places across Africa. Atlas Civils, building solutions that go further, built strong to last.